Deals. We're out here in Dallas, Texas. We've got a 2018 model Bobcat T630. Got a little over 3,300 hours. Look at the photos on the meter. I'm gonna give you a quick walk around video, operations video, let you see this unit. Left side track. Done some hefty work. Right side track looks like it's brand new. Just put on. Undercarriage is good on this side. All the rollers are up. None of them are bad on the bearings. Idler still looks good. 2018 model. God dang. Ah, it's so tight. Mechanics always do that. Running nice and clean. No blow by, no vibration. Nice clean oil. No lifter ticks or rod knock of any sort. See, it sounds pretty good on that side. No leaks on the cylinders. A little bit of seepage there, but nothing that's major. Cylinder's clean on this side. $3,300 on it. And foot control unit. Seat's not terrible. Nice good bucket on it. Now I'll give you a quick little operations video, let you see this unit in action. All right, here's an operations video on the T630 here in Dallas, Texas. As you can see, ladies and gentlemen, The unit starts, runs, works. All the drive motors are still in good shape. Not one side slacking or the other. All the hydraulics work, the lift works, hand-foot control unit again. T630 here model, 2018. If you're interested in this unit, it's located here in Dallas, Texas. Give us a call, 972-666-9501 or 1-855-EQ Deals. Thank you very much.